Okay, hi. This will be our Excel project proposal. For this year, we are planning to do a food festival in collaboration with Persaka. All right, just for you to know a little bit about our project, as you know, graduate attributes are high-level qualities, skills, and understanding that a student should gain as a result of the learning and experiences they engage with while at university. That being said, as the years have passed, it's becoming more of a trend that these students do not gain these things and lesser graduate attributes are implemented or implanted in the students even. This can be due to many factors, but today we're not here to discuss the factors, but instead we're here to provide a solution or maybe a short-term solution that you can see some benefits from. you know as you know, like, we cannot be changing the entire educational system and how teaching and learning is experienced and done in the everyday classroom, but what we can do is we can do a small activity with a smaller number of people, and what you can see is you can see the benefits on these people in a very real way. you know Keeping this in mind, we had to come up with something that is fun and engaging for the students as well as the educators. So we had to come up with something that is fun but at the same time subliminally educational, and it's very engaging for them to participate in. you know with all of this in mind, we actually decided to organize a food festival. I mean, the reason we decided to do this is because, as all of us know, if there's one thing that unites every Malaysian, is the fact that we can never disagree that Malaysia has a lot of different types of foods. There are hundreds of different cultures all sharing the same land in Malaysia. And if you even travel each 10 kilometers, you can find a different type of nasi lemak, each with its like unique twist, and that's just like one dish. There are hundreds and thousands of dishes in Malaysia, and what we plan to do is bring them, at least some of them, into one place so the students can experience them. And the way we want to do this is to have the students themselves run the entire thing, right? And so we did a survey to ask the students what graduate attributes they'd like to improve on. And based on the survey, the top four were communication skills, thinking skills, leadership and team working, and adaptability. Of course, there are seven, but we'll be touching on these four first. All right. So first, for communication skills. Communication skills is the ability to communicate with people from different cultures and backgrounds. So what this means is that a student or someone must be able to communicate effectively, even to get a message across, because the whole purpose of communication is getting a message across. So they have to know how to get the message across very effectively. Next, leadership and team working skills. It's, as the name goes, it's the ability to establish rapport, interact and work effectively with others to accomplish a common objective. And in this case, the common objective will be to set up a stall or a booth and run the show. And next, thinking skills, the ability to look for alternative ideas and creative solutions. This is a very useful skill to have, not only for this matter, but your daily lives, as you'll be thrown with many different situations, challenging some of them. And the ability to have these thinking skills and creative thinking to create a different solution will be very beneficial to all students and teachers alike. And last but not least, adaptability, the ability to apply known solutions to new situations. So the ability to adapt is basically to apply what you've learned into newer situations that you're dealing with. So you won't treat every new situation as a new experience. You can actually reflect, and you can go back on your past experiences and you can come up with a solution based off of your past experiences.
So we also have goals and objectives for this project. So as for the goals, we would like to give a helping hand for the future graduates to overcome their weaknesses by improving their weakest graduate attributes. Also to ignite the interest in undergraduates to be an entrepreneur in the distant future. As for the objective, we would like to provide an insight and also to give a teaser experience for the undergraduates on how business actually works in the real world. Other than that, another objective would be to polish their weak attributes and also to instill confidence in them. So, the program we are proposing is Persaka Food Festival, a one-day program that serves its purpose in a way that the participants would have the opportunity to recognize their weakest attributes and also step up themselves to improve it. Okay, so the organizer for our program is Persaka, Persatuan Mahasiswa Sains Computer, and the location is Dewan Tun Dr. Ismail UTM. It will be held on the 16th January 2022. The activities we would like to conduct is food festival and a talk, Step into the Business World by Purna Chandrika Vijayan. Nextly, target participants. Our target participants will be mostly involving UTM communities such as UTM students, UTM staffs, and also the public. As for the invited guests and presenters, we would like to invite Dr. Suhaila binti Muhammad Yusuf, Senior Lecturer from School of Computing, and also Purna Chandrika Vijayan, Senior Sales Director in Medicaid.
Okay, so I will continue to activity schedule. Our event will be held at 16 January 2022. So we will start at 7 a.m. Participants start to set up their stall. At 8 a.m., arrival of VIP and guests. 8:15 a.m. VIP speech and opening ceremony by Dr. Suhaila binti Muhammad Yusuf. So our main event will be start at 8:30 a.m. So our first lucky draw will be at 10 a.m. and first performance by UTM students at 11 a.m. So the first performance will be Malay version songs. So we continue to lucky draw 2 at 12 a.m. and 2 p.m. will be guest speaker Step into Business for by Purna Chandrika Vijayan, and she will continue with her speech. So at 3 p.m. we continue to lucky draw 3. 4 p.m. performance 2 by UTM students also, which is English version songs. So at 5 p.m. lucky draw 4 and closing ceremony. So for the financial statement income estimation, RM 300 from registration for a team of 4 members. So one team we collect RM 20 and ticket price RM 20 per book with 20 tickets. RM 150 from funding request from the School of Computing, and RM 250 from funding request from the UTM Student Affairs. So for expenditure estimation, top 3 entrepreneurs reward. Total RM 150 is for the guest speaker RM 100, arrangement and setup RM 100, and lastly 4 lucky draw prizes RM 200.
Okay, so for the next slide is the importance of suggestion of improvement graduate attributes for the student and intern itself. So for the first one is leadership and team working skills. So it will enable students to learn how to work together to achieve a common goal within themselves. So for the next one is thinking skills. So it will enable students and staff to think pragmatically in all situations and come up with an idea or solution to a situation or problem faced. So for the next one is the adaptability. So the student will enable to assess the situation they are facing and overcome it if necessary to adapt and be comfortable with it. So for the last one is the communication skill. So it will enable students to communicate effectively with people from various backgrounds. So for the conclusion for this program, so all in all, we feel like this program will be extremely beneficial for all the students. So everyone who participate will definitely gain something in one way or another. At the end of the day, we wholeheartedly believe that this program will help promote graduate attributes among the students in a fun and meaningful way. Not only that, the student will also learn a lot about teamwork and business and all that comes along with it. So we can all collectively agree that if anything is learned while having fun, the effect is immensely more noticeable, and we believe that can be achieved through this activity. So that's all from us. Thank you.